In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring invoices in Zoho Books, a full guide for 2024. If you're handling multiple clients and sending out invoices regularly, setting up recurring invoices can save you a lot of time and streamline your billing process. With Zoho Books, you can effortlessly automate the entire process. Let's dive into the step-by-step procedure. First, open your Zoho Books dashboard. This will be your main page where you can access all the features that Zoho Books has to offer. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Sales tab located on the left panel. Clicking this will expand a series of options related to your sales processes. Next, scroll through the options and find Recurring Invoices. Click on this to manage any recurring invoices you might already have or to create a new one. Here's where the core of our task begins. After clicking on Recurring Invoices, you'll see a button labeled Create New Recurring Invoice. Go ahead and select it. This is your starting point for setting up a new recurring billing cycle for your clients. To build your invoice, you first need to select your customer. Click on Customer Name and choose from the list of existing clients. If a client is not already listed, you'll need to create a new contact for them before you can proceed. Once your customer's name is selected, move on to the profile name field and fill it in accordingly, often pertaining to a specific plan or service. You will then need to specify an order number. The order number field is crucial for keeping track of individual invoices and for reference in future communication. Now define the billing frequency by clicking on Repeat Every. Here, you can specify how often the invoice should recur, whether it's every week, month, or any custom period fitting your business model. Then, set the starting date of this cycle by clicking Start On. This is the date when your invoicing for this customer will commence. Payment terms are next. Click on Payment Terms to select when you expect payment from the client, such as due on receipt or net 30. Choose based on your agreement with the client. It's equally important to identify the person responsible for the sale, so click on Salesperson to assign this. If your project involves tracking hours, you can associate specific project hours by clicking on Associate Projects Hours. This could be significant, particularly for service-based businesses billing based on time. Under Subject, enter a brief description of what this invoice is for, while the item table involves adding line items, whether you're billing for products, services, or any other chargeable item. Once all the information has been entered and reviewed, it's time for the final step. Click on Save to store your settings and generate your first recurring invoice. Your future invoices will be automatically sent out based on the criteria you've set, ensuring a seamless billing process. And that's it. You've now set up a recurring invoice in Zoho Books. This automation will help you manage your invoicing efficiently, allowing you more time to focus on growing your business. Happy billing!